What are you wearing? Is it Daddy's shirt? And you can't move? Is it? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You're funny.
Having your fun and laughs over your daughter. Poor baby.
Brother.
She's so cute though.
Your butt in the air.
That's so funny.
Do you want out of Daddy's shirt? Bronte. You want to try to get out of it yourself?
Oh, so cute.
Let me see you. What are you doing? Huh? Yeah? What? It was fun before? Yeah, you still think it's fun. Yeah. That's a real big shirt. Are you doing yoga? Bronte. Bronte.
Are you giving Cobble a boof?
Boof on his belly? Yeah? You coming to get me? You trying to. He doesn't do so well on the carpet.
No.
You pushed him over. You pushed him over. Yeah? Do you want out of that now?
Yeah.
You trying to figure it out? It's hard to move? Yeah? Is it hard?
She's almost getting out of it. Let's see if she figures it out. Yeah. Can you get your arm out of there?
Can you do it? Can you get it out?
Are we out of rolls?
Oh, look at you! You got your arm out! That should be easier. Are you going to a toga party? Just make sure she doesn't fall. Because she's going to think she can do stuff and she's going to trip. Are you going to a baby toga party? Yeah. What's over there? You trying to get to your toy box? We should let her out. Hi. There you go. There you go. Bye-bye, Bronte. Now you just have a long skirt.